Herbal supplements. Stop 1. Herbal supplements. Stop 1 week prior to elective surgery. A fever, garlic, ginkgo, ginseng, kava, St. John's wort, valerian, echinacea. Preoperative medications to adjust. Insulin. Consider insulin/dextrose infusion or holding dose. Prednisone. Bronchodilators. Hypertension. BP 180/110 is not an independent risk factor for perioperative cardiovascular complications. Target is BP 180 mmHg, DBP 110 mmHg. Assess for end organ damage and treat accordingly. Coronary artery disease. /HOG Guidelines 2014 recommend that at least 60 days should elapse after MI before a non-cardiac surgery in the absence of a coronary intervention. This period carries an increased risk of reinfarction/death. If operative procedure is essential and cannot be delayed, then invasive intra- and postoperative ICU monitoring is required to reduce the above risk. Mortality with perioperative MI is 20–50%. Perioperative B blockers may decrease cardiac events and mortality but increases risk of perioperative strokes. Continue B blocker if patient is routinely taking it prior to surgery. Consider initiation of B blocker in patients with CAD or indication for B blocker, intermediate or high-risk surgery, especially vascular surgery. Respiratory diseases. Smoking adverse effects, altered mucus secretion and clearance, decreased small airway caliber, altering outward carrying capacity, increased airway reactivity, and altered immune response. Abstain at least 48 WK preoperatively if possible. If unable, abstaining even 24H preoperatively has been shown to increase AWO availability to tissues. Asthma preoperative management depends on degree of baseline asthma control. Increased risk of bronchospasm from intubation. Administration of short course up to 1 WK preoperative corticosteroids. An inhaled beta agonist decreases the risk of bronchospasm and does not increase the risk of infection or delay wound healing. Avoid non-selective B blockers due to risk of bronchospasm. Cardioselective B blockers, metoprolol, atenolol, do not increase risk in the short-term delay elective surgery for poorly controlled asthma, increased cough, or sputum production, active wheezing ideally. Delay elective surgery by a minimum of 6 WK if patient develops ERDI. COPD. Anesthesia. Surgery, especially abdominal surgery, in particular upper abdominal surgery, and pain predispose the patient to atelectasis, bronchospasm, pneumonia. Prolonged need for mechanical ventilation and respiratory failure. Preoperative AB is needed for all COPD stage I and EI patients to assess baseline respiratory acidosis and plan postoperative management of hypercapnia. Cancel/delay elective surgery for acute exacerbation. Aspiration. Increased risk of aspiration with decreased lock drugs/alcohol, head injury, CNS pathology. Trauma/shock, delayed gastric emptying, non-fasted, within 8H diabetes, narcotics. Decreased sphincter competence during hiatus hernia, nasogastric tube, pregnancy. Obesity, increased abdominal pressure, pregnancy. Obesity, bowel obstruction. Acute abdomen, unprotected airway, LMA mask versus angina. Manage risk factors. If possible, utilize protected airway, i.e. It reduces gastric volume and acidity, inhibiting airway reflexes with muscular relaxants. Employ RSIC rapid sequence induction of 15. On perioperative SS blockers for preventing surgery-related mortality and morbidity in adults undergoing cardiac surgery. Cochrane DB Cyst Rev 2019. 9 CD 13435 purpose to assess the effectiveness of perioperatively administered B blockers for the prevention of surgery-related mortality and morbidity in adults undergoing cardiac surgery. Conclusions: no evidence of a difference in early all-cause mortality, cerebrovascular events, hypotension, and bradycardia. However, there may be a reduction in AFib and ventricular arrhythmias when B blockers are used. A larger sample size is likely to increase the certainty of this evidence. Perioperative B blockers for preventing surgery-related mortality and morbidity in adults undergoing non-cardiac surgery. Cochrane DB Cyst Rev 2019, 9 CD 13438. Purpose: assess effectiveness of preoperatively administered B blockers in prevention of surgery-related morbidity and mortality after non-cardiac surgery. Conclusions: no difference in cerebrovascular events or ventricular arrhythmias. SS blockers may reduce AFib and MI. However, B blockers may increase bradycardia and probably increase hypotension. Overall low quality and certainty evidence for these findings. B blockers' bone receptors are located primarily Earhart heart, and kidneys. B1 receptors are located in the smooth muscle i.e. bronchiuterus. Non-selective B blockers block bone and B1 receptors labetalol asterisk, carvedilol asterisk asterisk, nadolol. Caution is required with non-selective B blockers, particularly in patients with respiratory conditions where B1 blockade can. Reactivity. Asterisk labetalol is both alpha and B blocker asterisk asterisk. Carvedilol is also both alpha and B blocker asterisk asterisk. Herbal supplements. Stop 1 week prior